Hey, what's up, y'all? I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another Chrome text style, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this and edit this and type your own text and your logo to this beautiful text effect. And just like any other video, you can apply this to any language you want. It's like most of our products. Without spending too much time, you can have this right away. All you gotta do is just download it and follow this video, and I'm gonna show you how easily it's done. Okay, to download this, of course, go to hyperpix.net, get a premium account, and you can get access to hundreds of text effects that will blow your mind right away. You can use this from there. Okay, right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. And the new window, you got text layers, and all you gotta do is to type your own text. There it is. I'm gonna type my words here. Okay, don't worry about the font. You got the font presented to you in another folder. If you want to save it, you got two ways. You can close it and select yes. There it is. You can see here. There's our text effect, as you can see here. Totally applied to this. You can disable one of these two. Okay. You can change the font too. No problem with the font. Select a font from there. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. All right. Close it, save it, and there it is. You can change its position, change another font. Okay, I think this one's good. There it is. Okay, and save it. You can see the result here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful and attractive. As you can see, just look at these details. Just take this chrome, and you can see the reflection of these lights. You can put your sparkles in the shiny parts. Do this one by one for each of them. Okay. Some of them are like orange, some of them are blue, and it gives you a choice to choose which of them. If you want to have more of them, press Alt and drag them all over your design and position them where you should go. You can remove them. And the next one is lines. We got two lines, up and down. You can see, you can edit them, remove them. They're not very necessary actually. Just for the visuals, type your own text. Totally up to you. And next one, we got styles here that contains the structures and the technical parts of our design. I recommend you skip this one. It might gonna confuse you. So next one is lights. We got these lights behind our text. You can select them and enable them or disable them. It's totally up to you. You can change its color too from color overlay. This might be interesting for you. Okay. You can have this as transparent. You can use this in any project. In order to do that, press Alt and click on the eye icon on this style folder. As you can see here, sharp, beautiful design you can use in any project you want right away. Okay, and we can apply a logo to this too. Yeah, I told you, right? Let me show you how you. Okay, I'm gonna reset this and right click on the double click on the yellow layer. And in this window, instead of typing your text, import your logo here. There it is. And it's good. Close it and select yes. And there it is. As you can see here, this is our logo here. Totally applied our design on it. And if you want to like put in sparkles in time, all we gotta do is just select one red and one blue sparkle and just remove all the rest of them. Okay, there it is. We got 2 sparkles left. All we gotta do is select one of these 2 and position it on the edge, resize it a little bit, and now press Alt and drag it all over the design so you can get more copy of it and with more speed. Alright, it gives you more speed, I guarantee you that. Okay, this is really beautiful, it gives you, and now it's time for some of these beautiful red ones. Okay, there it is, gives you a beautiful and attractive variety of colors and gives you a very shiny look. Alright, there it is, we're done with this one. As you can see, the result speaks for itself, and as you can see, it rocks with these sparkles. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is hit hyperpix.net and grab a premium account and download this right away. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.